Hey, hey, beautiful brave hearts. Good morning. I am Tora and you are?
Andrea. How are you all?
And today's One A Day is about how much fun are you having. Life is a fun-filled adventure and it's up to us to navigate and to learn to surf the waves. Life is beautiful and life is magnificent, and abundance of health, of wealth, of stepping into our purpose and our passion is absolutely everywhere. And we are on day 4 of what, Andrea?
Our whole life training. We're doing a whole life coaching training here in Nambucca Heads, and it's been absolutely amazing. We are tapping into our authentic self, getting rid of all the programs we have, all the negative programs that we have, and just finding our true self and feel it's been amazing. We're at this beautiful place here in Nambucca Heads. The beach is absolutely beautiful. A little bit overcast today, but it's been beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Loving it. Loving every minute.
And so as I said, we're on day 4, and on day 1 it was just amazing. Everybody came in and was a little bit nervous, and all these expectations, and didn't know what to expect, and just feeling all the density and the fear. And then as we have gone through this incredible process of gently unlocking, unblocking, cracking our coconut from the inside out, and can really see that beautiful men and women are starting to see the beauty and the magnificence that is within them, and it's absolutely amazing.
And pulling down your walls and your barriers, and feeling freer. We can see that people are feeling freer by day 3 and 4. They feel freer and they're in ease. They're in ease in their understanding, their programs and how it's held them down for so long and restricted them. So it's all about reprogramming. Yes. And loving yourself. If you want to heal, all you have to do is love yourself unconditionally.
And we all look for quick answers and want to take the magic pill, but the answer to healing is actually inside. And discovering that beauty in that vibration, and deciding that not to live life in a self-imposed imprisonment. We know, especially the last 3 years, they've sort of created this amazing amount of fear and anxiety and disconnected us from our soul, our purpose, our inner knowing. And this incredible journey that we are on with, I think it's 30, isn't it? Men and women.
30 people.
So it's a really big course, and what that really shows is how much locked up and how much in trouble people are. But it's just so beautiful to see that they have chosen themselves, they have voted themselves number 1 in their lives to take personal massive action. And Andrea and I actually have a very exciting announcement to make, don't we, Andrea?
Yes, we do. We are going to be holding and running our own healing circles. So our first one is starting in December up here in Nambucca Heads. So we're very excited about that. So it'll be a 4-day course. So it'll be like a mini whole life training for you. So just for you to get in touch with your authentic self and just have some time and spend some time with yourself, and you'll learn all the things you need to continue on once you've left, to have a beautiful life. A beautiful life and just take care of you, and first and foremost.
That's right. And they say if you create a perfect morning, you have a perfect day. And if you create the perfect day, you have the perfect life. And that's really what Andrea and I are so passionate about, is to take our beautiful brothers and sisters by the hand and to help them to hold space, to take them on a journey of self-discovering, to finding the authentic self, looking what their chokehold is that has stopped them from really accessing their health and vibration, and to create a life that is in alignment with their purpose and passion. And we are here to be abundant on all levels. And when we understand how we've been held back and blocked, then it's just magnificent when we learn to find that beautiful light that is shining within us. Life is meant to be beautiful and full of joy, and really seeing over the last few days, Andrea, that just to find our childlikeness. We dance, we play, we connect with our bodies, we really look at all the different things that are stuck in our system. And Andrea actually has a cell sonic, which is incredible. It's light energy medicine, And what that does, it puts 25,000 volts of a love harmonic and energy frequency into areas of the body, which is calcified, which has scar tissue. And would you like to talk a little bit about what you've been doing with these people here?
Yes, what we've been doing is I've been treating, Daryl's been doing a lot of wolf non-surgical on people, so I've actually come in first and I'll use the Southsonic, and that will actually break up the calcification, and it makes the actual wolf non-surgical procedure a bit easier for the practitioner and easier for the person having the treatment as well. And it raises the vibration. It's 25,000 volts, so it actually raises the vibration of the cell, because every cell is a battery, so it just fills up the battery of each cell, and it gives you the frequency and the vibration will then last. It can actually last up to a week. So it's just an amazing healing machine. It's the world's most powerful energy machine, and it's a combination of acoustics, sound, and very intense pulse. So people are just having the treatment and going, wow, that my knee feels so much better. And then with the wolf non-surgical as well, it's a game changer, absolute game changer.
Yeah. And you know this whole thing that when we get old, we get fat and sick and get stiff and calcify, and like grandpa's like bent over and is terribly stiff. And it's all a choice, seeing Dr. Wolf. What is he? 67. He's just turned 67.
Yeah. That's the thing. It's not about your age is determined by how much calcification,
that's right,
crystallization and scar tissue you have. That's all.
And how much fun you have. And these 4 days, really seeing these, men and women who a lot of them have given them up on themselves and their life and their health, and seeing them find their childlike, their love, their joy, their just being just alive in the present moment and connecting with that.
Yeah. People are they've especially in the last 3 years they've given up, but that's what they want. That's what they want. They want us to give up, but we're not giving up.
So if you want energy and vitality, and you are ready to take personal massive action and to learn to really love yourself, have this incredible love affair with yourself and your life, then come and join us in December. The dates will be announced very soon, so this is just a little teaser, but come and join us.
It's we've actually booked the dates in for the 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So yes, we'll be doing all the protocols, the protocols for the perfect day when it comes to from the moment you rise, doing exercises, the nutrition, the nutraceuticals. Tora's a yoga instructor as well, so we'll be doing some yoga as well. We'll also be doing some amazing 9D breath work, which we'll be facilitating as well. We'll probably have a couple of sessions of that as well in it. So, and we'll just be having a healing circle where we're just opening up and speaking in a safe environment and working out what is holding me back, what is the things that are causing my life to be, to have anguish. We don't need to have stress. We don't need to have anguish. We just need to be aware, just become aware of our program that's keeping us from being happy. It's very simple, but because we've been programmed for so long, we're not aware of it. So we tap into and allow people to see how they're thinking. Just changing their life. It'll just be beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited to be doing this with Tora. She's such the most amazing. Tora is the real deal. When I grow up, I want to be just like Tora.
You're just good, and it's an honour to be working with you and to co-creating with you. And if you're ready to find your authentic self, to be in the best shape of your life, to learn to eat, think and drink, and to really be abundant on all levels, have amazing amounts of vitality. When I wake up in the morning, I just can't wait to get into my day. I'm living my purpose and passion, and so is this beautiful Andrea. So come and join us.
Yes, get excited.
So get into it and do something for yourself today. Become present in this moment, connecting with your breath, putting a smart smile on your face, putting your shoulder back so your heart can shine. Share your beauty with the universe. Yes, that's exactly right.
And we'll be having these twice a year, so we'll have we'll have one up here in Nambucca Heads, and we'll also have one in Melbourne in my new clinic, which is taking another 6 months. I'll have all that ready. So yes, twice a year.
Thank you so much, beautiful Lisa. Right back at you, sister, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining us, everybody. Have a magnificent day. Have the most beautiful day of your life ever. Take massive personal action now to discover your brave heart.
Heal thyself.
Yeah, beautiful. Bye.
Bye.